reason there is nowhere in that word the word horse for horseback riding?
Well, it's just riding, so
Yeah.
potentially you could be riding a camel, I guess. But,
I was gonna say purple elephant.
not likely in Ireland. Yeah. So you could say, Ismayom dolagrochiach der elephant corcora. So I like to go riding on a purple elephant. Okay. Jim March, I guess,
With the march.
I guess egg Kerbachji on Tuesday when it's raining, something like that. Okay. So we can do more exercises or we can do bingo. What do you guys? Bingo. Okay. More exercises.
Well, Mark can sit her corner and do exercises all night.
Extra quiz maybe. While those are going around, let's read through I'd like to get one more reading through here. So I think we started with you last time, Margaret. So why don't we start with Sean this time?
That's not fair.
And go the other way around.
Kurna Bokali kun Bohar Awaya Anshin.
I'm just reading the word, right?
Oh no, we're reading the sentences.
But there's no sentences.
Okay, we'll skip you then. Bob, do you want a number 2 or do you have it? Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Brekawa, Krasna, and Walker.
On Woher. And Catchling number 3.
Vegado the Kusban a Harinch Katoban.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna refer as easy.
Gart.
Hanning Sheed and was Jawahar.
Doro.
Big dog deck, that's where I learned more.
Matthew.
Pepsi on the
Harden Blee. Michal. Rashak.
Jimmy Shea Lush Air Kush in Argent.
Keeping over Hoch number 8.
Passing a Bukhari,
Cam.
Brian had one last year.
Okay. Lexi.
And the Bulkley or Otaki. Near, did you say near?
Near Vada.
Near Vadagur, Sheer and Waya.
And Bali.
Bali.
Vila Intakagan Ayaroi.
Yeah. You did that one last time?
Which, the last one?
Number 13.
13. Oh, okay. The Devon.
Good Jevin.
Good Devon. Ni Yani Misha Dermot on Nauer Shingo do Yo.
Yeah, ni yeni mishit jarmad or nawar shingajo.
Do.
No, Misha. Off Aaron.
Isha Wa Agat and Tony.
Iwa Augusta Ayaroj.
Okay, so now we're going to go to the bingo game, and we don't have to go through them since you're out of be familiar with these words.